So I'm in this office, right? It's a really cool office. I look around me, it's like this record company office. It's got like gold records and stuff all around. I'm this big shot record executive. And I could do whatever I want. Hook up with famous girls, call up musicians, just whatever. So I'm just sitting here in my office thinking, what am I gonna do? And then Bob Marley walks in. Bob Marley. Now my dad played the Bob Marley all the time as a kid, so I knew how big this was. So I'm just sitting here thinking, what am I gonna say to him? Now Norm, he starts yelling at me, he's screaming at me, I'm screwing him out of the money in some record deal. And I'm just sitting here thinking, dude, this wasn't me, I'm just sitting here, man. This isn't my office. But he just keeps screaming at me and yelling at me, and I'm sitting here and I'm freaking out and I'm scared. But at the same time, I can't help but think, how cool is it that he's talking to me? Like, I knew in the back of my mind he was really dead, but that just made it that much cooler. So I'm sitting here freaking out, and he's just coming closer like, he's really gonna mess me up. I look down and I realize I had this huge, special feeling. And it freaks me out because we're not supposed to be getting this special feeling in front of a guy. That just might make him even madder. But he just stops. And he's just looking down at it. And he smiles. He stops being mad. Like he realizes he got the wrong guy. And he just turns around and walks away. Yeah, that was my first time.